Hey Jacob, guess what awesome thing I learned today?
What'd you learn today, Myron?
I learned about the kinesthetic sense. It provides information to the parietal cortex of the brain, letting it know the relative positions of your body parts.
Wow, that's fascinating. How does it do that?
Well, for example, every time you move your arm, tiny sensory nerves send electrical pulses to the parietal lobe, letting it know where your arm is relative to your body.
Does that mean what I think it means? That without the kinesthetic sense, you wouldn't be able to move any of your body parts without directly looking at them?
Yeah, it does. Imagine not being able to walk down the stairs without staring at your feet the whole time.
Do animals have this sense too?
Yes, they do. In fact, some birds and bees even have the ability to detect which direction they are facing based on the Earth's magnetic field.
I wish I could do that. What else can you tell me about the kinesthetic sense?
Well, there have actually been cases where a person who was blind from birth became an artist. They can draw portraits, landscapes, and even perspectives. They even dream in pictures, even though their experiences consist from sounds, textures, and temperatures. This is known as kinesthetic awareness.
You know, Myron, the kinesthetic sense is pretty interesting, but you know what's even cooler?
Nothing is cooler than the kinesthetic system.
Then you haven't heard about the vestibular system.
Oh, what's that?
Well, it's similar to the kinesthetic system because it has to do with the movement and orientation of your body. It is based in multiple parts of the body, such as the inner ear, the eyes, muscles and joints, fingertips, soles of the feet, and gravity receptors on your skin. It is most active in the inner ear. The vestibular system has a very intricate and sensitive way of operating.
You're right. That is pretty cool. But what makes it work?
The vestibular system is stimulated by the movement, rotation, and speed of the body.
And how does it work?
Well, inside the ear is a series of 3 semicircular canals. Within them is fluid, and when the body rotates or moves, even slightly, the fluid runs through the canals and stimulates small hair cells. Based on the hair cells' movements, the brain determines the magnitude of the body's movement or rotation. Without the vestibular system, people wouldn't be able to walk without being overwhelmingly dizzy.
Well, Jacob, that is pretty scary. What else can you tell me about this awesome system?
Listen to this fun fact. In space travel, because it is based to work in a 1G environment, the vestibular system will often provide a person with incorrect information as to whether they are rotating or moving. This, of course, only happens if the subject's eyes are closed.
Wow. I never knew how much went into determining our body's movement.
I know, right? It is so fascinating. So next time you move your body, think about all of the steps the vestibular and kinesthetic systems take to keep you oriented and balanced.